Hi, I'm Karen Warfel with the City of Fort Lauderdale's Transportation and Mobility Department. The City of Fort Lauderdale is very excited to be a sponsor and to host this year's summit. We're excited to show off all of the things we've been working on for the past 5 years and that have come to fruition to really make a difference in the way people get around the city. The Scooter Mobile Workshop Tour focuses not only on bicycle lanes and access and pedestrian, but it really focuses on how redevelopment has changed the way people are able to get around, their contributions to making safer parking, safer bike lanes, and sidewalks. Participants in this mobile workshop will be able to see the amount of redevelopment that's happening in downtown and the impacts, the density that's happening to really make it a mixed-use, multi-transportation type atmosphere, and what development has done to improve the streetscapes in downtown. Thank you, and we'll see you at the 2020 Safe Streets Summit in Fort Lauderdale.